Hi, friends. Welcome back to the Tiny Seasons Club. Today, I'll tell you a magical winter story about a snowflake on a long and gentle journey. High up in the cold winter clouds, a tiny snowflake was born. It shimmered softly as sunlight touched its crystal edges. The snowflake looked around and wondered where its journey would begin. A soft breeze whispered, "Come, little snowflake, it's time to explore." So the snowflake drifted away from the clouds, floating slowly through the chilly sky. It twirled and spun, dancing with other snowflakes. Some were big, some were tiny, each one different and special. The snowflake felt happy to glide beside its sparkling friends. Soon it floated past tall pine trees covered in white snow. Frost sparkled on every branch like tiny silver stars. How beautiful, the snowflake thought as it drifted gently by. The wind carried it over a quiet village where rooftops were soft and snowy. Warm yellow lights glowed in the windows. The snowflake peeked inside and saw families drinking hot tea and watching the snow fall outside. Then, the snowflake passed a snowy playground. Children were laughing, making snow angels, rolling big snowball, and building a cheerful snowman. The snowflake giggled softly and danced a little loop in the air just for fun. As the snowflake floated lower and lower, the world grew quieter. Only the soft sound of snow touching the ground filled the air. Finally, after a long and gentle journey, the little snowflake landed on a snowy hill. It sparkled in the winter light, happy to rest at last. Every snowflake has its own path, its own tiny adventure, and its own perfect place to shine. Thanks for listening to our winter story. Come back again for more magical winter moments at the Tiny Seasons Club.